Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today, it's Stitch Fix Day. Stitch Fix is a styling service. You take a quiz, you get a stylist, and you just pay a $20 styling fee each time you receive a box. A stylist will curate this box filled with items they think you will love based on your survey and based on your thumbs up or your thumbs down on the app. You can actually rate looks on there, and you can also include a note for your stylist to let them know what you're looking for. If you decide to keep anything in the box you receive, that $20 styling fee goes towards whatever you decide to purchase. Now, I don't know what I'm going to title this video, but this may be my last Stitch Fix. Stay tuned to the very end to see why. So the box is still taped, so I have not looked inside. But y'all know I do cheat. As soon as I get the email that says my Stitch Fix is on the way, I pretend like I'm checking out just to see what they sent. That way I'm not really surprised. And okay, so the last couple of boxes I have asked for a fun and unique fix with different pieces, something that stands out, something that I can't just walk into Marshall's or Target or whatever and find. So let me unbox this, and I'm going to show you what she sent me. I'm also going to try everything on. Then I'm going to leave my unfiltered opinion about this fix and about Stitch Fix at the end of the video, so stay tuned. Okay, so here's my little burrito. As you can see, it's really small. There's the other side. So the first thing she sent was this Lush top. And again, I use these styling services like Trunk Club, Stitch Fix, because I'm looking for pieces that I can't normally find in other stores. For me to ask for a fun and unique fix, I feel like this top is almost as basic as it gets. I actually received 2 tops in a Goodwill $10 mystery box that look exactly like this. So I already own 2 shirts that look like this. It's just a black striped shirt with a little knot at the bottom. Not really impressed. I'm interested to see how this looks in person when I unfold it. The picture, I did not like the picture. This is Velvet by Graham and Spencer. And I think I know why she sent this. I just think she just didn't hit the mark. Okay, so it looks like it has like some embroidery here. And it's a black top. And I think she sent me this because of the sleeves. So there's definitely a bell sleeve going on. But this shirt, it says it's an extra small. It's very, very wide, and it's also very sheer. I mean, you can see right through it, and I hate tank tops. I will not wear a shirt that I have to wear a tank top underneath it. So yeah, I'm just not impressed with this top. I don't know. What do you think? Here's another top I'm really not excited about, and I'm really disappointed because when I go on the app, I see like the shop your look section, the rating, the thumbs up, thumbs down, and I see so many tops that I would love to receive and I would actually purchase, and then they send me stuff like this. Okay, so this is a Fortune and Ivy, and I mean, honestly, you guys, it's just not my style. It's just that classic popover, and the sleeves are fun. Again, I think she chose these pieces because of the sleeves. Just because every purchase I've made from Stitch Fix, they include some kind of like sleeve detail. I do think the sleeves are cute. Like, I like the sleeves. If we can cut off the sleeves and put it on a different top. I'm not crazy about the buttons right here in the front. I feel like this is a shirt, like if you have an office job or somewhere where you have to dress up, this would be a great shirt for that. But y'all know I work from home, I work for myself, and I would never choose to wear something like this. But I do like the sleeves. It's just the rest of it not crazy about. If I were to keep anything in the box, it would be this. So this is Vegas, and this is in the Marley Skinny. And then it says it's authentic stretch, so we all like that. It looks like it's a high rise, and there is some distressing, not a ton, like they're not completely trashed. I do like distressing. The only thing that I'm just not excited about these is the wash. I'm really looking for dark wash. But if these do fit, the inseam looks really long. But if these do end up fitting, this would be the only thing in the box I would even be slightly interested in purchasing. So my note said fun and unique pieces. I would say this piece right here, which is my least favorite actually, it is fun and unique, so I will give her that. So she sent a pair of Mark Fisher flats. They're in this yellow color. I'm kind of surprised she sent a flat because all the shoes I've purchased from Stitch Fix have been heels. I definitely do not wear yellow on my feet. Y'all know I'm really petite and I wear pretty much nude shoes all day, every day because they make me look taller. Yeah, these are gonna just cut off my leg. And also, flats are extremely uncomfortable for me to walk in. I just have some issues with my feet. I have to have a heel. So these are a big ol' NO. I will try them on for you. I don't think they're gonna look good though. I'm gonna read you what my stylist wrote me right before I try on these clothes. Y'all let me know in the comments, do you think anything look good? Be real with me, you're not gonna hurt my feelings. Okay, here's what my stylist, Sarah, had to say. She has been my stylist the past few times. I'm not sure if I should keep her. I have purchased one thing that she sent. I don't know, should I request a new stylist? I may have to do that. Okay. She wrote, "Hi Alicia, welcome to your April fix. I can't wait to dive into this assortment with you. I started with the I don't know, is it Vigos? I'm going to say Vigos. I may be wrong. She said, I started with the Vigos jeans in a super on-trend light wash with distressing." Let's talk about the jean trend real quick. I'm not a fan of the jean trend. The jean trend right now is like loose, straight, baggy, like mom jeans. I like a dark, high-waisted, skinny jean. Like, that's just me. So, yeah, I'm not sure about the light wash. And then she said, how do they fit? For tops, I see you wanted to keep it fun for the new season, so I strayed away from wintry styles and I kept it warm weather focused. I found this lush knit, which I know is more casual, but since athleisure wear has basically become part of the streak chic style over the past year, you can wear this more ways than you think. Pair with biker shorts, an oversized denim jacket, and chunky fashion sneakers. So yeah, that striped top that she's talking about, it's not a bad top. I just own several like it. I don't really see it as a fun top. I just see it as more of a basic. She said the two other tops will look darling with the jeans and the springy Mark Fisher mules. The pale yellow color is out there, but we'll go with other bold colors and prints. Don't be afraid to add them to your next outfit. Thoughts, Sarah. Okay, Sarah, thank you so much for that note. Okay, let me try this stuff on and I'll be right back. Okay, so here's the top with the sleeves that I liked. And yeah, I think the sleeves are super fun. So here is the top. I do like the cut, the neckline. Feels way too like business appropriate. Y'all know I like to tuck in my shirts and I don't know. I don't know if I'm really pulling it off. Like I said, it's the buttons. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think it's an okay top? I don't know. It looks better tucked in. I'll give it that. Okay, so here's this black top, and like I said, it is extremely oversized. I love the sleeves, okay? The sleeves are so much fun, but I'm not a fan of all this going on. I feel like it's a little too much. I kind of wish this was just a black, like solid shirt just with the sleeves, because I like the sleeve length, or I like the details on the sleeves, but I don't so much like something crazy going on up here. Again, it is pretty oversized. It just feels really big. I don't know. What do you think? Y'all know I gotta tuck it in because I feel like that makes everything look better. I mean, it's okay. I don't know. Tucking it in, it always makes stuff look better, don't it? Yeah, I think this would kind of, I don't know. I feel like this would bug me. I keep looking at it in the camera. But man, I do like these sleeves. Okay, so here is the striped just t-shirt basically with the knot. I mean, I'm not crazy about it. It's just super basic, nothing really fun, and I already own like 3 like this. Okay, let's talk about the jeans. So first off, I feel like they don't fit me great. There's a lot of gapping, as you can see. Like, I put my whole hand down there. So this is a big problem for me. I know some people think that gapping is not a big deal, but I tuck in a lot of my shirts. So that is a deal breaker for me. Okay, so you can kind of see the jeans better here. I don't know. I just think they're okay. They have the distressing. They are a little too long for me, which I think that would bug me. And I would really much prefer everything to be tight and cropped. Y'all know that's just my style. I don't know. What do you think about the jeans? Because I'm not really crazy about the other tops. So I don't know if it's worth it. Let me try on the shoes for you. So here are the shoes and all this fabric. Yeah, I'm just not crazy about these at all. Okay, let's go through the prices, and then I'm going to give my unfiltered opinion about what I feel about Stitch Fix recently. So the Velvet by Graham and Spencer, that was the black embroidered bell sleeve top, which I found a hole in. It's linen, and I knew there had to be a hole even though it was new. I found a hole in the back. They want $139. If it was only maybe say like 40 bucks or something, I may have purchased it just so I didn't lose my styling fee, because I did really enjoy the sleeves on that, not so much up top, and I didn't really like how baggy it was and the fact that I have to wear an undershirt. There were just too many negatives. Along with the $139 price, it's a no for me. Okay, the Fortune and Ivy, that was the blue, I think, what is it, polka dot? It's some kind of like black speckles. That was 42 bucks. So I hate the button front. I don't like buttons on the front. So because of that, I just wasn't crazy about it. I also didn't like how it was mixed material. So like the front is like what, polyester, the back's cotton. Not really into that. I don't know. The Mark Fisher shoes, that's called the Namelia Mule. The yellow shoes, those were $79. Those weren't my style. I think everyone can agree here. Okay, the Lush black and white striped top, that was only $34. Definitely the most affordable thing in the box, but it's way too basic, y'all. I have so many black and white striped tops. That one was nothing special. I see them at the thrift store all the time. So even for $34, it is not something I would ever want to add because I already have several. Okay, and then the jeans, they didn't fit me great. And this Vigos, however you pronounce it, this brand, I feel like I also have tried them before. I don't know if it was with Trunk Club or if it was with Stitch Fix. And I feel like I didn't like them then either. So maybe I just don't like how that brand fits. I'm not really sure. So if I were to buy everything, the subtotal would be $271 with my buy all discount. Y'all, I was contemplating getting the black shirt before looking at the prices. But now looking at the prices, I feel like I'm just going to lose my style credit now because I don't need anything that she sent. Okay, let's get into my opinion. So I have done Stitch Fix for exactly 1 year, I believe, or maybe next month it's 1 year. Anyway, I have done a lot of Stitch Fixes, and they seem to be getting worse. Like, it seems to be like they're not sending me like fun pieces. I don't know. I'm just really not impressed. My last Nordstrom Trunk Club was amazing, and I literally wanted to buy every single piece that my stylist sent me. And I find it's the opposite with Stitch Fix. With Stitch Fix, sometimes it's me trying to figure out, well, what can I get so I don't lose my $20 styling fee? And that's not how you want your styling service to be. You really want to enjoy what they're sending you. So I'm not someone who just like wants to get something just to get something. So I am sending this all back. And I want to say this is maybe the 5th or 6th Stitch Fix box where I have sent everything back because I just don't like not one thing they sent me. So because of that, I'm going to give Stitch Fix maybe another shot or two. But if I get maybe another box or two straight that I'm just not liking anything in, I think I may end my Stitch Fix service. Let me know, do you feel the same way? I feel like a lot of other people I know are feeling the same way. I actually have personal friends of mine who just quit Stitch Fix because each time they were getting their box, it was just boring and it just was stuff that's just not exciting. So I use Stitch Fix as a way to get fun pieces that I can't find in thrift stores. Y'all know I'm shopping all the time, so I don't need this service. I just think it's a fun service to have, but it's not really fulfilling my wants right now. So leave your comments. Did you love anything in my fix? Did you hate anything in my fix? I will have another fun video out in just a couple days. Make sure to give this video a like if you liked it and subscribe with that bell hit. That way you don't miss any of my videos. Hitting that bell will set up all notifications. That way each time I post a video, you will get a notification on your phone. All right, y'all, I'll see y'all in just a couple days. Bye.